Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanisha Jamal. I am currently pursuing my degree for Shri Venkateshwara College Engineering, Bangalore. So I am here to discuss the topic test of significance, large number and small sample. Now, test of significance for large number and small samples. Test of significance of difference for large samples. Z test. Hypothesis testing for single populations means two-tailed test. Let's move with the hypothesis value for the populations mean to be tested for this the null and alternative hypothesis. For two-tailed test are defined as H naught equals to H var or minus H var equals to 0 H1. X var and if standard deviation of the population is known, then based on the central limit theorem. The sampling distributions of mean X var would follow the standard normal distributions for a large sample size. Then Z test static is given by test statics Z equals to X var standard deviations. Next is left-tailed test. Left-tailed test, large number sample n greater than 30 hypothesis testing about a population's means for a left-tailed test is of the form. Null hypothesis H naught, X bar and HA bar. Test significance Z equals to X bar standard deviation discussions rule. Reject H naught if Z calculated less than minus Z. Table value of Z at next right tail test. Large sample H greater than 30 hypothesis testing about a population's mean for a left tail test is of the form 3 H naught X bar and H1 greater than X bar left tailed test. Test statics Z equals to X bar minus standard deviations. Discussions rule. Reject H naught if Z calculated Z table value of Z at. Discussion rule. Reject H naught is Z calculated Z table value of Z at. Accepted H naught F Z calculated. Next is test of hypothesis for the difference between two populations means. If two random samples with x bar standard emissions n1 and x bar minus 2. Standard emissions n2 are drawn for different populations, then the z statics takes the following form z equals to x bar 1 minus x bar 2, standard emissions 2 n1 minus standard emissions 2, 2 n minus 2. A potential viewer wants to decide which of the two brands of electric bulb he should buy as he has to buy them in bulk. As a speedman, why he buy 200 bulbs of each of the two brands A and B. When using these bulbs, he finds that brand A has a mean life of 1,400 hours with a standard deviations of 16 hours and brand B has means of life of 100 to 50 with a standard deviations of 50 hours. The two brands differ significantly in quality use equals to 0.05. Solution lets us take the null hypothesis that the value brand do not differ significantly in quality H naught n equals to 2HA, H equals to 2 tail test. Next is students distributions test of significance for small samples. If the sample size is less than 30 that's and less than 30, the sample may be regarded as small samples. The greatest contributions to the theory of small samples was made by Sir William Ghost and R.A. Fisher. Ghost published his discovery in 1950 under the pen name and it is popularly known as t-test or students. T-distributions or student distributions. The following are some important applications of the t-distributions. Test of hypothesis because the populations The formula is t equals to x naught x equals to n, where s equals to summation x minus x bar 2 equals to n minus 1. Next is test of significance of the difference between two means independent samples. The formula is t equals to x bar minus 1, x bar minus 2, s equals to n1, n2, n1 minus n2, x bar. 1 equals to mean of the first samples, x minus 2. Mean of the second samples, 7. And 1 equals to number of observations in the first sample. And 2 equals to number of observation is the second sample. And 2 equals to number of observations in the second sample. S equals to combined standard deviations. The value of S is calculated by following formula. S equals to x minus 1, x bar minus 1, 2 plus x bar minus 2, x bar minus 2, and 1 plus n2 minus n1. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share.